Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can join Telegram group that cannot be displayed. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to join the group in order to do this process, what you need to do is you need to download a third-party application. So for that, open up your Play Store. So first thing you need to download is Telegram X, and once you're directed to this page, you need to click on install. While you're installing Telegram X, next thing what you need to do is you need to download Nicegram at the same time. So on the search box, type in Nicegram. Once you do this, click on install. So do the same procedure, click on install. The Telegram X is installed, click on open. So now you'll need to log in with your phone number. So click on start messaging and enter in your phone number. Now you'll need to enter in the verification code that will be sent on your Telegram application. So then open up your Telegram, and then now you need to copy this link, and you'll also need to enable all of these necessary permissions. Click on settings. So then you've successfully registered into Telegram X. Now what you need to do is on the search box you need to type in Celia. What you need to do is you need to open up your Nicegram app that you recently downloaded. So you'll need to enroll into it. So click on continue. As you click on the link, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Now right at the bottom you'll be asked to log in with your Telegram account. So just click on it and enter in your phone number, and then you can toggle the switch for yes, I'm 18 plus, and then you'll be able to join the group. And after that you can join the group that cannot be displayed. So that is how you can join Telegram group. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.